Have you ever wanted your Gmail profile to be more recognizable? Setting a profile picture can make your account feel much more personal and professional. In this tutorial, I will show you how to set your profile picture on Gmail in just a few simple steps. Let's do it together. So first, find and open your Gmail app. Once you're in it, tap the three lines in the top left corner of the screen or swipe from left to right to open the Options menu. In the menu that appears, scroll down, find the Settings option, and tap it to open. Right after that, if you have multiple accounts, select the one on which you want to set the profile picture. Once you've done that, the next step is to select the Manage Google Account option. After opening this option, you will be redirected to a page with various account settings. In the top menu, you will see the Personal Info option. Tap it, and it will open the page with your personal data. On this page, in the Basic Info section, tap the Profile Picture option. Right after that, at the bottom of the screen, tap the Add Profile Picture button. In this section, under Illustrations, you can choose one of the suggested illustrations that Google offers as a profile picture. These could be different graphic designs or icons that you can use instead of your photo. If you want to set your own photo, tap Device Photos, and then go to Browse or Take a Photo. In the menu that appears, you can select a photo from your gallery or take a new one using your device's camera. After selecting the desired photo, an option will appear to adjust it. You can zoom in, zoom out, or move it around to fit the frame properly. Once you've positioned the image as you want, tap Next. If you want to choose who can see your profile picture, tap the option here and select the setting based on whether you want everyone or only the people you interact with to see your picture. Once you've selected, tap Done. Finally, tap the Save as Profile Picture button to save the changes and set the new profile picture. Your profile picture will now be updated and visible to everyone or just those you've selected, depending on your settings. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.